Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation level at Islamabad campus. Today I am talk about the TEDx Talk how the gain control of your free time by Leora Vanderkam. This talk teach us show use our free time in a better way. Leora say that everyone has 24 hours in a day and if we plan our time, we can finish our work and still have time for family, friend, and hobbies. I learned that time is very important. We should not waste it. We should make a daily plan and do the most important work first. This TEDx talk inspired me to use as my time easily study library and learn new skills every day. I really enjoy this talk because it's simple, useful, and motivational. And thank you everyone for listening. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.